Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install the Lufthansa app on your mobile device. So if you're using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store, but as I'm using an iPhone device, go to the App Store. It's this blue button on my home screen right there, and then go down to the bottom right, the search page, start typing in Lufthansa, press search, and then I will skip past the first app, but go to, the first advertisement rather, and then you've got this yellow app with a sort of bird icon. This is the Lufthansa app, and it's got a cloud icon with a downwards pointing arrow, this blue button on the right hand side. That just means that we've downloaded this app on this device before or on our App Store account. So if you've not downloaded it before, it will say a button, GET, the get button. Either way, press the button, and then it's going to start downloading the app on this device. Just give it a little bit of time to fully download. We can see the progress by the blue ring going around the circle. Once this is completed, I will come back. And so there we go guys, Lufthansa app has fully downloaded on this iPhone device. The App Store then gives us the option to actually open the app from within the App Store. So you want to press the open button, and that is going to launch the Lufthansa app. Allow Lufthansa to track your activity across other companies' apps and websites. I press allow because this will give us tailored advertisements to what we find interesting in the future, either on social media or on search engines. Privacy settings, I will press agree. Welcome and thank you for using the app. I'm going to press get started. And then from there, it's going to give you some more information about the app. I'm going to press the skip button. And from here as well, it shows you if you do have an account already, you can go to this yellow button, the login button. And you essentially just have to type in your travel ID or your email address and then your password as well. Go to the next button. I'm going to cancel out of here. And from there, you can actually go down to the login section. If you do not have a Lufthansa account already, you can go to register and then register your account through here, give your email, password, a lot more details, go through the continue button and follow all of the different steps, and then you will have your Lufthansa account. But also as well, if you want to find out the times of flights or basically book flights or check-in, you can do all that from within the Lufthansa account or the Lufthansa app. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Thank you.